got this old TV on. I'm going to scrap it out. Seen the guy on YouTube scrap them out, so I've given it a go. I cut the cord, the main power cord, just in case there's power in the transformer. Yeah, so here we go. In here is a big copper yoke. I want to get that out. The guy on YouTube makes it look easy. E-waistband. I don't really know what I'm doing. Anyway, I'll get back to you when I've got it out. There, I got it. See that? Oh, that's all copper windings. Let's cut these wires off. Check that out. Pure copper. And I'll cut all the wire out inside the box, put it back together, and it'll go into the scrap. I just pulled the circuit board out. Here there's some, as you can see just here, there's some more copper. These little copper transformers. There's another big transformer just here, this fella here. So I'll be pulling him out. All this wire, copper, at the moment I'm getting $8 a kilo, copper. Not the copper wire, insulated, but pure copper. There it is. Completely gutted. Taking out all the goodies. They're all here. That one there, this big copper yoke, here's the main reason I scraped him out. And then I've got all this copper wire. I've got a power board here that I can go through and sort all that out. Yeah, cool bananas.